In HTML, elements are the building blocks of a web page. They are the basic units of HTML, and every element is defined by a specific tag that tells the browser how to display the content within the tag. HTML elements consist of an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. The opening tag is enclosed in angle brackets and contains the name of the tag. The closing tag is similar to the opening tag but also includes a // before the tag name. The content of the element is the text, images, or other content that goes between the opening and closing tags. For example, the P element is used to define a paragraph on a web page. The opening tag P tells the browser to begin a new paragraph, and the closing tag /P tells the browser to end the paragraph. The content of the P element is the text that goes between the opening and closing tags. Here are some examples of commonly used HTML elements. H1, H6 headings for different levels of importance. P paragraph. A link. IMG image. All and OL unordered and ordered lists, respectively. Li list item. Div a container used for grouping and styling content. Span a small container used for grouping and styling text. Form a container for form elements such as text boxes, radio buttons, and checkboxes. There are many more HTML elements available, each with its own specific purpose. By using these elements, web developers can create rich, interactive web pages that are easy to read and navigate.